In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drawing tab in Excel. This feature is extremely useful if you want to annotate your spreadsheet, sketch ideas directly on your worksheet, or highlight important information visually. The Draw tab gives you access to digital pens, highlighters, and other tools that make working inside Excel more interactive and flexible. Once it is enabled, you'll be able to quickly mark up your spreadsheets without needing any additional tools. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your computer and make sure you have a workbook open on your screen. From here, direct your attention to the top left corner of the Excel window where the File menu is located. Click File to open the Excel Backstage view. This area contains many of the program's configuration and management settings. After clicking File, a panel will appear on the left side of the screen showing several options. From this list, click Options. This will open the Excel Options window, which allows you to adjust various settings that control how Excel behaves and what features appear in the interface. Inside the Excel Options window, look toward the left side and click Customize Ribbon. This section allows you to control which tabs are visible in the main ribbon at the top of the Excel workspace. The ribbon is where all the major commands and tools are organized, so enabling the correct tabs ensures you have quick access to the features you need. Once you are inside the Customize Ribbon section, shift your focus to the right side of the window where the Main Tabs list is displayed. This list shows all the primary tabs that can appear in the Excel ribbon. Scroll through the list carefully until you find the option labeled Draw. When you locate the Draw option, make sure there is a check mark in the box next to it. If the box is empty, click it once so the check mark appears. This simple action tells Excel that you want the Draw tab to be visible in your ribbon. After confirming that the Draw option is checked, click OK at the bottom of the Excel Options window. As soon as you do this, the window will close and you will return to your spreadsheet. Now, if you look at the ribbon at the top of Excel, you should see the Draw tab available alongside the other tabs. With the Draw tab enabled, you can now access drawing tools whenever you need them, making it easier to mark up spreadsheets, emphasize important details, or visually communicate ideas directly inside Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.